Afternoon, backcountry marksman. The backcountry marksman, hiker, hunter, protector, learning and growing in the backcountry, Roger Cole, and sharing my experience with you. I pulled my hunting rifle apart here, took the stock off my Savage 110 Action with a 20-inch Savage barrel with silencer on it, 7mm .8, very accurate. Got the scope on here at the Miyatopa. This is just their Optica. I think it's a great 2x10 scope. Glass is fantastic, better even than what my binocs are. Not made in China, not at all. And upgrading the stock, clean the stock, repairing the stock. So you want to clean the stock and clean the bottom of your action and the trigger area and all. I had a sling stud fall out. The nut stayed in the stock, so I pulled the butt pad off, put that on with Loctite, because things do come loose for me in the mountains. This one's put on tight with Loctite. I pulled this spacer, this out that goes on the top right here. It's held on with 2 screws, and really keeps this stock stiff. But I did that so I can get into my M-locks and put my Picatinny rail on good and tight with Loctite. I'll be continuing to test these tall swaggers out for you. You see I lost a foot. I emailed them. They got me one in the mail the next day, an amazing company. I'll be testing out this shorter bipod. Let's see, I'm trying to think what it is, 6 to 11 or something like that. And then I'll be comparing them to this Magpul bipod, which I've really learned to like. And I didn't think I would, but I love it. It's made in USA. This is made in USA. This says designed and assembled in USA, which scares me a little bit that they might have imported some parts. I don't like that, but we'll see how it goes. And I'll give you an update on it as I update and do my reloading with that 7mm .8 Fusion, Federal Fusion 140 grader, and get that thing within a 1/4 inch and prepare for this next winter and spring protection and hunting. Backcountry marksman, Roger Cole.